Hey y'all, so happy Saturday. Today is May 11th or 12th? 12th, May 12th. And we are on our way to find out what the gender is and get like a little 3D ultrasound done. We're going to a place called Peak of Joy. It's in Williamsburg. So yeah, we'll let you know how our experience there is. And yeah, so that's where we're going now. We're kind of rushing because we got down here early and we left to go to Target, and you know how it is in Target. But we're like literally right around the corner like now, so we're gonna be walking in like 2 seconds.
I want a condo.
Go ahead, say hey.
Now I'm not, I can't do my key now. I sit on it. Now mommy waving it at me. Now I say nothing. Now I can't do, mommy can't with it. Mommy can't see it.
So she's telling on me because her keys were in the front seat and we were rushing, and I sat on them, and she was like, mommy, you sat on my keys. I'm like, Taylor, I'm not worried about them keys right now, we're rushing, let's go. And she's upset about that. So she back there whispering, talking about the keys. So I threw them back there and they fell on the floor. So she's still back there talking that cash money. Park right there in the shade. Alright, y'all, we about to get out. She's too hype. Mommy's gonna lay down right here.
Come on, mommy.
Where you want to sit? You want to sit over there? You gonna watch? You gonna see the baby? Look at all these babies.
Alright, so you don't want to know your gender, right?
No.
Okay.
I do though.
No.
She don't want.
No.
That's my dear.
Calling her ass. You got it yet?
Yeah, because I said 3.
Hey, listen, my baby being complicated.
They expected that because of what
What are you talking about, Tillie?
Tootie. What is the baby doing? What is our baby doing? No, look at our baby on the screen. What is our baby doing?
Sleep.
Sleep?
Sleep. I think they want me in my neck.
Baby wants your neck.
Yes, with me milk. I see the baby. It's not on the baby. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
The other babies.
I see what it is, but it's just giving me a hard time.
Ew.
You see what it is?
Mommy's stomach.
I bet if I ate something, the baby be moving.
Oh, does it usually move?
Yes,
baby moving.
every time.
I love doing genders, but let me tell you, it's so hard not to say what it is after you find out what it is.
Yeah, okay, so let me just not talk to you.
No, that's fine. Even if I talk to you, like it's like I be over here like he, she, he. Over just saying it, not even thinking. Like it be so hard in my head. When I speak, I say it in my head, and I have to like stop for a minute, like before I speak.
Daddy, does you see me?
Hey, I'm putting on you. I'm gonna put on you.
Flip the screen so she can see herself.
Flip.
Okay,
Flip the
Taylor, okay.
screen. Hi, this is a baby in mommy's stomach. Is right there on mommy's stomach? Just right on the baby's stomach.
This baby's over here giving me a hard
His
time.
stomach.
Always.
Always.
I needed to be super good for
Always
y'all.
is baby's stomach. The one man baby's stomach. I had a book.
You got a book?
Toot-toot.
Yeah, from the one.
Toot-toot.
The one
nervous
that
about
at me my
Wow.
neck. I'm not a baby.
You wanna find out now?
No,
Oh, look at him. He trying to convince you. Want to find out now? I'm down, baby.
this guy.
Oh,
This guy want to find out now.
Yeah.
Don't mind
But
the
we
tape in
not.
the background up here talking all country and dinner.
Walk my
It's okay. We're from here too.
Oh, okay, good.
my baby. Walk
What do you say?
Thank you.
Good job, Taylor.
Can you come home and teach my baby some manners like that?
You don't have no baby.
Yeah, I do got a baby.
Yeah, I had a baby.
Girl, yeah, I had a baby. I was shocked too, just like you were.
Okay.
It surprised me too, girl.
Look at this.
It's a boy.
Look at my leg.
You have a son or daughter?
Look at my leg.
Oh, okay.
You have to change too.
Taylor,
I
I
say
love
this baby is not fazed by nothing.
I
I just shook
know.
the crap out of this baby, and it's like,
Yeah, I had a baby.
That's the baby.
I had a baby.
I told you, babe.
And then
do you feel a lot of kicks and stuff?
I do. Not kicks, but like I feel moved, like flutters.
Your placenta's on top.
So that's why I'm feeling everything, basically.
That's why you're not feeling as much.
Oh, okay. All right, y'all. So we just finished. She's putting the results. You already put the results in?
Down there.
No, you're not touching it.
See?
You're not touching it.
Jumped by her and her on the way there. And it called me because I'm like, where y'all at? And I'm going too.
Not touching it.
I'm waiting
No,
for
Not touching the
I'm
results.
waiting for
No.
like 2 more pictures to come out my printer because it's moving so slow today.
Say, I got the results.
I got this out. I got this out. Then I sit there, get gum. I get bull gum.
And we got the balloon.
We got balloon pop.
You gonna pop it?
Yeah.
So what you think?
I think it's a girl
Are you
now.
doing
Yeah.
like a pregnancy
I
journey?
think it's
Oh, what?
Like a pregnancy journey? Vlog?
Yeah, but I vlogged before.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah.
Yeah.
So you're a gender reveal.
Okay, I will.
On Peak of Joy.
Okay, I will. I think it's a girl now, y'all. CJ
She's
still
switching
thinks
sides.
it's a boy. What do you think, Tutu?
It's a baby uncle. Is it a baby?
It's a baby. That's true. You're wrong there. It's definitely a baby.
The heart rate was 149
It's a
today.
beep, 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 beep. I
Okay, so let's go.
Let's go. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey.
How are you?
They mad because we took too long. My aunt over here. She won't even hug me. Say hey, Nana. Huh? You cute, y'all. Ain't my Nana hair cute? My Nana cute. Tutu. Tootie, look. Yo, guys. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to set y'all up so that y'all don't miss anything. We're about to reveal. We're about to reveal. So let me set you guys up right here. Hey y'all, look at this balloon. She had one job and that don't look like a cone head.
Okay, and that's, I think it's cute. I think this is unique and cute. Y'all think this balloon is cute?
Y'all, they doing the absolute most. Do you hear me? This is my family though. This is what we have to deal with.
You gonna shoot?
This is what we have to deal with. Let me see if I can zoom in for y'all.
Ain't that right, too?
Did I give y'all the dark?
You ready, Tootie?
Y'all ready?
Tootie, come on. Wait, I want to hold Tootie. Hold on. Come here, boo-boo.
She couldn't reach it with no points.
Y'all ready?
Hey, you should let Tootie do it. Come here, Tootie. You want to do it? Go to your mama.
She can't reach that high. She had the pink because somebody
Come on.
Let me keep y'all hopes up.
Baby, you better not stand, my baby.
Let me get this pink real quick.
Where your mom at, CJ? She
ready?
Oh, okay.
Hold on, Tootie.
Ready?
Go.
That's a boy.
I can't believe it. Yes, she did.
Cool and collected. You know what I'm saying? Was I able to be cool?
Yeah, y'all, I'm so hyped. Like, we're 2 and done. Hey, look. That's a good picture.
Yeah.
I cannot believe it. I can't believe it. Yeah, I'm just rocking this little blue stuff today because it's just gonna be too much to get it off of me. Ouch.
It's okay.
You slapping mommy up all up pattern.
All right, so we are at Cold Stone, about to go in,
It's okay.
get us a little treat. You got her back? So, oh God, I'm about to trip, y'all. Smells so good. Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl.
Hi.
Wait, baby. Taylor, is it good?
Yes.
He is so blah. He just got regular, what is that? French vanilla.
Keep it simple. I'm not an ice cream person like that.
French vanilla with caramel. I got yellow cake and sprinkles.
Yeah, my favorite.
Your sprinkles at home? You don't want no sprinkles? Look to What's it?
We're in the ice cream. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys.